Tired of lugging around bulky laundry loads while traveling or living in tight spaces? Introducing our solution, the compact and portable mini washing machine. Designed to be compact and portable, this mini washing machine is a game changer for students in dormitories or jet setters on the move. Say goodbye to laundry stress. With its user-friendly design, there's no need for complicated installations or setups. Simply plug in and start washing. It's that easy. Not only does it save space, but it's also environmentally conscious. Designed to be energy efficient, it uses minimal water and power compared to traditional washers. An eco-friendly choice without compromising performance. Experience convenience, versatility, and eco-consciousness, all wrapped up in our compact mini washing machine. Get your hands on this compact solution today and revolutionize the way you handle laundry, whether you're at home or on the go. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more exciting content.